Good afternoon, children of class 10. Welcome to my online class of Trigonometrical Ratios part 20. And this is the application or problem sums on trigonometrical ratio part 2. Now, in my previous class, I asked you to do classwork based on exercise 25, sum number 1 to 5. Today, I am showing with you some more application so that you will be able to do sums from 6 to 11. Alright? 6 to 11, you have to do it on your own because it is your cup of tea, you have to drink it. Take your studies seriously, children, because otherwise you won't pass. Now, I am coming with my new application, that is a sum which is very popular sum and comes many a times at your Madhyamik examination. Now, I am going through the sum. This sum is equivalent or similar with your sum number 5 in your book Ganit. A storm has crashed a telegraph post in such a way that its top touched the ground at a distance of 8√3 meters from its base and produced an angle of 30 degrees with the ground. What is the height of the post? Find the height of the point of crashing from the ground. Now look, this is a telegraph post. Before explaining the sum, I would request all my students to copy the sum in your copy. These sums are very, very important and might come for your Madhyamik examination. So copy the sum carefully in your copy and listen to my explanation so that you will be able to do the sum. Now, let's first figure out what had happened. Due to the Amphan storm, our telegraph post has got uprooted. It has not uprooted, it has broken, it has bent, it crashed and it bent at a point C. Let AB be the telegraph post and it has bent at the point C. From here it broke and it touched the ground at the point D, making a distance of 8√3 meter. And it is also creating an angle of 30 degree. Now, let AB be the telegraph post. Now, in this way, you have to let your examiner know that you have not copied the sum from anywhere. You have understood the problem sum and you have to do it in this manner, the way I have solved the sum. Let AB be the telegraph post. You have to draw the figure and you have to let the examiner, you have to explain the examiner what your figure signifies. So, my figure AB is the telegraph post. And from here, this point it has broken and it has touched the ground at the point D. So, at the point C, the post is crashed. So, at the point C, the post is crashed and it meets the ground at the point D. Now, obviously, the telegraph post cannot, the height won't increase or the length of the telegraph post won't increase or decrease. So, this height, this is the imaginary height which was erected, is now touching the ground. So, AC is equal to CD. So, from here we can say that AC is equal to CD. And it is making an angle CDB is equal to 30 degree and BD is equal to 8√3 meters. Now, it is forming a right angle triangle CBD. From the right angle triangle CBD, we get what? Look, now we got a triangle. Right angle triangle at its theta is 30 degree. We know the base. We don't know what is CB. So, this is the height. So, base and height is in which ratio, children? It is in tan theta. So, tan theta is perpendicular by base. You all know by this time that tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. So, perpendicular over here is BC and base is BD. So, BC by BD is equal to tan theta. What is BC? BC is equal to, leave it as BC. We don't know the height of BC, so leave it at BC. BC is equal to, this dB is given to you, it is what? 8√3 meter. 8√3 meter. What is tan 30? 1 by √3. √3 gets cancelled and you just cross multiply 8 with 1. BC is equal to 8 meter. So we got the portion of the telegraph post that is still remain erected on the ground. Now the broken portion, that is the AC, or you can say the DC portion. Again, BD by DC is equal to cos 30. Why cos? Because hypotenuse we have to find and base is given with you. Cos is what? Base by hypotenuse. So base is what? BD and hypotenuse is DC into cos 30. So BD is equal to 8 root 3 and what is hypotenuse DC? That is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 get cancelled and this you will just cross multiply. So DC is equal to 8 into 2, that is equal to 16 meter. So now we have got this height and this height. What is AB actually? AB actually is AC plus CB and AC is equal to DC. Alright, or CD, whatever you will say, AC is equal to CD. So AC plus CB is equal to AB. We know AC is equal to CD. So 16 meter, this is 8 meter and this portion is 16 meter. Obviously, this portion was also 16 meter. So 8 plus 16, that is equal to 24 meter. So your first question is solved. What is the height of the post? The height of the telegraph post is 24 meter. That is 8 plus 16 is equal to 24 meter. Coming to the next question. Find the height of the post of crashing from the ground. Find the height. What is the height of the post from the point of crashing from the ground? The point of crashing from the ground is BC. That is equal to 8 meter. So total height of the telegraph post is 24 meter and the point of crashing and the ground is 8 meter. Clear, children? So please copy the sum in your classwork copy or whatever copy you are maintaining in your trigonometry copy. Alright. Now I am coming with my next application. Thank you. Now with my second application and last application. From the top of a building 15 meter high, the angle of depression of the top and the bottom of the chimney are observed to be 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. So from a top of a building I am watching a chimney and you have to see that I am watching the top of the chimney and also the bottom of the chimney. And two angles are created based on my watching. Find the height of the chimney and the building. Alright, so this is the building, this is the picture of the building and this is the long chimney. So from here I am standing, I am watching the building chimney at the bottom, I am watching the chimney from here, the top portion. Clear? I am watching from here the top of the chimney, I am watching from here the down part of the chimney and this is the building where I am standing. Let the height of the building CD, it is given to you, is equal to 15 meter and the height of the chimney is how much? AB. This is the chimney, this is the building, this is the chimney. Obviously the chimney is taller than the building. That's why I can watch the base of the chimney and the top portion of the chimney. And we know that CE, this C is perpendicular on AB because it is creating an angle of depression. Alright. Now and you are also given that angle. There are two triangles formed. Triangle ADB and triangle CDB. Alright. Two triangles have formed. Given angle CBD. CBD is equal to 30 degree. And which is also creating an alternate angles, that is ECB. Look, this is an alternate angles. It is forming a Z. So it is an alternate angle with ECB. And angle ADB. ADB is equal to 60 degree. So from the right angle CBD, that is CBD, what we are getting? Base by perpendicular. So base is BB or BD and perpendicular is CB. So perpendicular by base is tan 30. So tan theta is equal to perpendicular by base. What is perpendicular over here? CD. In this triangle, CD is the perpendicular, base is BD. So CD by BD is equal to tan 30. Tan 30, CD we know is 15 meters by BD is equal to 1 by root 3. So what is BD? BD is nothing, but this will be cross multiply with this and BD will go over here. So BD is equal to 15 root 3 meter. Again in triangle ABD, this big triangle. Now again we'll have to find out the perpendicular and the base. Now by this time we know the base. Base is what? 15 root 3 meter. Then what is perpendicular AB? So in here the theta is 60 degree. In this triangle theta was 30 degree. In this triangle theta is 60 degree. So AB by BD is equal to tan 60. That is equal to root 3. We know BD is equal to 15 root 3. So AD is equal to, this will be AD. Alright. I am mistakenly written AB. AD is equal to this 15 into root 3 root 3. Root 3 is equal to 3. 15 into 3 is equal to 45 meters. So the height of the chimney AB, height of the chimney is AB, that is 45 meter, and the distance between the chimney and the building, that is BD, that is equal to 15 root 3 meter. So both the answer you have got. Sum number 6 is based on this type of sum. Now you start doing sum number 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Following classes will be based on other most important sums on trigonometrical ratios application. Alright. Thank you children. Start with your classwork 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Thank you.